we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
A quick Google search shows that simple 6.5 horsepower gasoline motors most frequently used for lawnmowers, go-karts, portable generators, etc. are about 200 cc in displacement. Nobody can tell you without knowing a lot more about the engine. Engine cylinder size has no direct conversion to power produced.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.